Shield Pack India. Incorporated in the year 1989, Shield Pack India are one of the recognized manufacturer and supplier of a varied assortment of plastic packaging bags and carry bags. Our products are offered in different sizes, attractive designs and vibrant colors, and our product range comprises tamper-proof bags, plastic packaging bags, courier bags, plastic bags and plastic carry bags, self-adhesive tape bags, plastic, Ziploc bags, security evident bags, vest type bags, carrier bags, food packaging bags, retail bags and biodegradable plastic bags. We have recruited a team of highly skilled professionals who have wide industry experience and ample knowledge in their concerned domain. The professionals of our team work in close coordination with each other to ensure the completion of the task within the assured time frame. We are a quality-conscious organization and we take all the required steps to maintain consistency in our product assortment. To fabricate our product array, we make use of premium quality basic raw material that is procured from the certified vendors of the industry. We have garnered a huge clientele which includes reputed names like Adidas Group, DLF Group, Samsung Group, Network 18 Group, Future Group, Adidas India Marketing Private Limited, Reebok India Company, Grasim Industries Limited. Thank you for watching our video. For more details, please visit us at www.shieldpack.in.